Hey there, fellow YouTube viewers. Welcome to Joel's Cooking Show, Season 2. And today I'm going to be cooking up some brown rice and tomatoes and onions. Yep, it's Joel's tomato oniony rice. And it's going to be super good. Chopping up the onions right now. Now I'm adding in the onions. And you're going to cut up some tomatoes. I got these Campari tomatoes. Tomato lovers tomatoes. Alright, now I'm adding in the freshly sliced tomatoes to the brown rice with the onions in it. Alright guys, this is what it looks like so far. And now you're going to want to add either kale or spinach to the rice. And if you're looking for extra flavor, I'd recommend kale. But if you like spinach in your rice like I do, then you should add spinach. Then you're going to want to mix it around really good in there. Get all the juices from the tomatoes into the rice and the onions. Then you're going to want to add a few spices to this called salt, pepper, and parsley flakes. Ground parsley flakes. Your rice should look something like this. Parsley's going to give it a lot of extra flavor, guys, which is great for this cooking video, and it goes good with the rice. And for dessert tonight, I'm probably planning on having some vanilla pudding. Yeah, so stay tuned, and I might make another dessert video for my channel. Season 2 of Joel's Cooking Show, after all, needs dessert section 2 as well, like promised in the first season. And you want to keep stirring the rice, especially after you added the parsley flakes, the pepper, and the salt to it. Then once the spinach starts to get shriveled down in there like so, then you're going to want to add some butter to it. Yeah, some butter into the rice for, again, the extra flavor with the parsley flakes and the pepper and the salt in the rice. I'm using butter with canola oil in it. And the butter should be melting into the rice. Keep stirring it And your rice should be almost done if you got instant rice. Otherwise, if it's the kind that you have to cook, it's going to take a while. Also, a good idea is if you want to add sun-dried tomatoes to the rice, that'd make it extra flavorful in the rice. And stay tuned for more epic fried rice video coming up, and with pot stickers. I'm hopefully making another vlog, eating vlog video for my channel. And so now there should be about 5 minutes left or less on the cooking of the rice. You want to make sure to mix it really good so the butter goes throughout the rice and the tomatoes and the onions and the spinach. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, recommend subscribing. This is Joel's Cooking Show. And season 2, once again. Stay tuned for more videos.